Yeah, good
Good afternoon,
afternoon.
Mr. Shikhar.
Afternoon, Iqbal. How are you?
Fine.
Very fine, sir. What about you?
Fine. Good afternoon. I'm fine, thank you. So, where we stop in the last class. Any issues you faced, Iqbal, in the last class? We need to discuss.
Last week I never opened the laptop. Sorry.
Okay, you're not.
Yeah, because too much
Okay,
busy.
okay. But anyway, recording is there, right? You can
Yeah, yeah,
see on your time. So, we completed. We are in execution part, correct?
yeah.
Production
We
order
start.
execution.
Yeah, started last week.
We started production order creation and availability check. Today we go for production order release. Okay, releasing of the production order. Let me share my screen. The screen is up here, right? No. My system is
Yeah, now okay.
oh,
Nice.
fine. Production order creation CO01 and the status is CRTT. Okay. Now we are go for if any procurement type we go and create the production order. Actually, this is the steps. In the real time, it is not. They are not wait for the creation. Okay, for your understanding, for better understanding, I'm going like this. Okay, step by step. These are in a single process, in a single TR also. I'm going to do. So, how to do creation, order reservation. Okay. These all will happen. We'll create the production order. Operation to be performed. So information related to production order. These are the information. And there are the methods of creating the production order is so from MD04, sorry, or manual creation CO01 and collective COHV. And the test is okay. As it is the next class. Class I mean we'll first to clear production order release now. Production order release. First to clear this. Is it okay? Now fine, right? Production order release. Going forward. Okay. Now we created the production order. I'm audible, right? I'm continuing. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Production order is created. Then the system is checking for the availability check from the back end, whether the component is available or not, or we can do the configuration setting in OPJK, and based on the plant and order type, we can set whether there is a user control. We can release or reject the release or creation of the production order. It is applicable same to process order as well. Okay. So production order must be released. If anything we need to do further, it should be in REL status, okay, released status. A newly created production order that is in CRTT status, and the following restriction apply to the production order that can be created. That means if it is create mode, if the production order in CRTT status, the confirmation of the order cannot be done. Okay, these are in the next class we understand what is the confirmation. And shop floor paper cannot be printed. We cannot print if the production order is in CRTT CRTT status. I mean, it has been created. Okay, goods movement for the order cannot be yet to be executed. That means nothing will happen. This 3 means. Okay, so this is where we cannot do confirmation, we cannot take the printout, so we cannot do the goods movement. That means that is goods issue as well as production order, that is receipt of the production order. Okay. Releasing the order, once we release this, these all are going to take place. That means order is given to manufacturing department to do the further process. Order release can be executed for the following level. With release the order header level. So if you go for CO02 and release, even operation also going to release if you do the header level. Okay, also the production order. Order and operation receive the status REL. I told REL is CRTT created. With the release of an operation means this is fetched from the routing. Okay, in the routing, we may mention the process steps in the routing, right? That is operation one, two, three, or initially they may cutting. They do the cutting operation, second facing operation, turning
So
operation.
Shekhar, your voice is breaking.
Now, now fine.
Yeah, no. Okay.
Okay. It was the earphone. So, so with release of the order header level, we understood. So with release and operation level, so we can release the production order header level as well as the operation level. Okay. When we get the, that is partially, in the operation level, we can get the status PREL. That means partially released. P means partially. The same is applicable confirmation, partially confirmation. PCNF, partially delivered. PDLV, okay, like that. But this will happen for the operation level only. This will be eliminated to log into the system. All the operation in the order have been released. The order has a status REL. So these all are we understood. Now go the way after releasing. How we can go to release the production order? Go to CO02. This is order level. Okay. Go to CO02 at order header level or operation level. This is an operation. Or the second step is from COHV. This is mass level order release. Okay, COHV. And automatic release during the order creation. So there is an option for I don't want to wait the release create or in a manual way. Immediately once we enter the production order or we converting from the MD04 that the backend CO40 going to work. So in that case also system is we can get the order in release state. Okay, release during the order creation CO02. Release at order header level. How to get it? So I'm in MD04 screen, that is stock requirement list. We we going to manufacturing C 2057 material in a plant 1000 of order type PP01.
Voice disturbing.
Hello,
Mr. Shekhar,
okay.
voice is disturbing. I'm breaking some noise also come.
Okay,
No,
completely noiseless or something go going right. Fine.
no, same.
Likewise, if you are on the mic, same noise is coming. Same the same issue.
The word is breaking. It's complete sentence. Some the voice is breaking.
Oh, hello, Irfan.
Yeah.
Can you bring your voice?
Irfan, how about now?
It's a little bit better now, but can you bring the mic to your a little bit closer and speak?
Okay.
Yeah. Better. Continue.
So, I'm continuing. Say we are in MD04 screen. We need to do the releasing of production order. Okay? From the first method, that is 440. So it is from the MRP. Okay? For getting the MRP,
No,
converting.
same. You don't understand.
Now,
Voice is coming, but it's breaking frequently.
I remove my mic and okay.
Mr. Chick, can you just disconnect and try to reconnect the session? See if this can resolve the problem. Hello.
जी बोलिए।
मतलब उनकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है ना इकबाल भाई?
नहीं नहीं आ रही।
म्यूट हो गया क्या उनका?
अगर
हेलो?
I'm audible.
या
Is it fine?
या इट्स क्वाइट ऑडिबल. Can you listen and hear him?
yeah, you just continue then see. See.
Let's resume the session and see, Mr. Shekhar, that whether the problem is occurring or not.
I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, perfect, sir.
Is it visible?
Yeah, yeah,
Well, yeah.
yeah, visible.
Let us continue further. I'm going to again our document. So we are here in the CO02 screen where the production order is uh, created or we can release here. Okay. Click on the flag button. It is telling flag is where we can release this production order directly. That means from the CO02 screen. Okay. So go to flag button, but here the again system is checking the availability check. Okay, so we can release it. It is telling the gives the pop-up message. We can release or we can check any missing part is there. We can cancel this production order. So this is how we can release. So still see here the status is in CRTP status. So once you release it, the status is going to change. This is where the availability check of the component message is releasing of the production order. This is the status. You see the status, system status is REL. REL means it is released. The further activity kind of goods movement, confirmation, settlement are going to take place. Okay. Until there is release, nothing will happen. This is what in the release stage from the MD04. Click on MD04 screen, observe the release indicator. Once that is done and you can refresh in stock requirement is, you can get the status as RE. That's what slash RE is the this from this after seeing this in MD04, you can tell that production order is released. So you can go further for the activity. Order release at operation level. Now we are seeing in operation level. This one, the initial one is the header level. Now we can do from the operation level. Go to CO02, go to operation view, and here you have to select the line item and release. Select the operation, release the button at the down. So once you release, this is an initial stage in CRTT status. Okay. So here in the screen, you see, select this operation, you release this flag. So if you release one operation, the release of the status is going to update as PREL, P-release, partially release. Okay. Until you release that PREL is not changing. Once you release this, then only PREL is changed to REL status. So still all three is completed. So this is released. This is an REL status. That means it's released for the production process. So
That
collective
that
order release.
that done by end user, no? Operations.
Their user production guys will take place. Production supervisor cannot say that core user someone is there. So
Uh,
production guy will go release the order.
yeah.
So the third step is COHV. That means collective, mass level. The business is telling, I don't want to release individually. Then what do you do as a consultant? You are in a position to tell. You can go the system that SAP gives you the standard T code. From there you can release the process order at a time. Maybe how many is required to release, you can release it by the T code COHV. There are three production order here in our case. It's in one is released, 548 and 549 is yet to release. So go for COHV fast processing. I think we did this in the last created state as well. Same T code for collective we can use here. You see here the production order is in a tick mark. So whatever the production order or based on the material and the production plant, we can get that by filtering. I don't want the TECO here. Filtered by TECO as well as I don't want TECO. So whatever unTECO production orders for that material and plant, then we can go. This is where we got all the production order. That is someone is released, but so both release and CRTT came. As a mass processing, there is option for release as well as CRTT. Okay, this is where the list is saying order header. So we got the function as a release. So this is where the small settings we need to get. So this is done. Connect the two production orders. So wherever there are the two production orders, we observe here. This one, 548 and 549. Then we can release. Okay. So mass processing. So go and take the mass processing and if you go and check in MD04, you can get automatic release of the UI. First to do confirmation. Yeah. Now this is where we get all the QHV. Then one more case we can do for automatic. I don't want to manually or QHV. I want once the production order I created, I want the release status. There is a business need to have to go in the production scheduling profile. Okay, there is a configuration setting you need to do, and so here during the creation release checkpoint as well. Okay, and the same to be assigned to the work scheduling. See here in test case, there is a setting production scheduling profile based on the plant and production. This is the second production scheduling profile. To go inside, here you see, so automatic action is there. No? This one during the creation, I want to release, or during the release, this is all going to happen. So printing, for scheduling order, document link, these are DMS, link with DMS, material advance, and control instructions, okay, for PPTI. So if these, during the release phase, if you pick this and this production scheduling profile we assign to the header material work scheduling wheel, these are all going to check automatically. Okay. There is a during the creation I want to release it and even document link we do. If any DMS is there is a you know a business is having a DMS, then for the material creation of the bomb during the order creation, that is automatically action will take place. The further we go into checking the system, this is where we can do the do setting and we can set this in the system. Suppose your production order, so release flag is there is a status REL and operation. Then there is a printing option also there. Okay, so we will find out. So there is a CO02, COHV, and CO print automatically. So this is next step is to printing options. So how to do the print? Printing means once that is released, the production order is released, we go for the printing. Okay. So printing means after getting that print, we issue to the manufacturing or production department to do for their checking. Okay, what are the operations, which call, which work center, what is the second time, machine time, which component is there, which component operation to be done. So those details we can get it after getting the printout. This is where we can go. Okay, print order header level status REL is there. If the status is REL only, we can go for printing. To print the production order, it should be release status. And there is again the production order printing, we can go 002, print automatically during release. Just now we see 002 or individually printing CO04 and mask. COHV is the mask where we can do for the mask printing is. But let us go for complete this line. Log into system in order to log into the system. We go take all on the next step. So what I do, I go and upload the demand. Okay. The T code is MD1 May monthly demand. from next what we need to do. Mark the control parameter, and then we go. And then so this is the plant order. I'm going to convert order is missing this. That means order needs to be completed. So now what I do, you have to distribute the date, current date and notice. Current date scheduling in this eraser. There is not a working day. Then they should now what is then once we create it, order is created. It's on to it's on to its create. That is in EP01. It is not released. So how to release? Over double click, over to change info. Okay. Is it releasing? Releasing the order. Release carried out. Yes. Then manually releasing. So the status is changed to RE. So if it is released, now you can set the filter. So go to CO04 and set the client. If is 01 order, it's 1 quality order. So this is order, then shop flow, select. come here. Okay. So once this is done, this is manually. So we create it. And that create zero, zero and also zero. Okay. Zero, zero, one, equals, and thousand equal zero one. You have to enter production order material, production plant, and order type. Enter. I'm going to create 100 quantity based on the current date. If you enter the current date, system will propose the start date, and based on that, system calculate based on the buffers maintaining the MRP to view, system calculate the finish date as well. But system is telling that there is a missing component. Okay. So this is now still in created state. Okay. So how we can go? We go for the operation level also. We can use the production order. We will select the operation, select and release it. So we can release this order.
Mr. Shekhar, your voice is coming very low.
Go
I
to
cannot able to hear.
materials.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah, yeah. There is same issue last time we faced now.
mic is maximum, yeah.
I don't think Mike
I think
I think
if you can bring your mic closer to your lips and then speak, then we can hear you.
Okay,
Because
okay. Let me
yeah,
try that.
yeah,
Now fine?
it's better. It's quite better.
Yeah.
It's
So
and it's
I will
audible.
keep it now, okay? Near to
yeah.
my mic. Fine. So see here, the status is PREL, means that is partially released. Okay. This status only comes when you go and do in the operational level confirmation. Okay. Whereas in header level releasing, you cannot get this PREL. See, if this is the PREL means only one operation is released. Once you complete releasing all the operations, then only you can go to third operation. Still it is in. Go back and check this is PREL. Okay. Come to operational level, select and release it. From is working to release. If you go and check in other level, that status is going to change to REL. That means this this way also we can release the production order. This is operation level. Okay. This one is operation level, and initially I shown from the MD04 releasing. Now we will check now for the automatic releasing. Okay. So save this. What I do, go and select another component. 2091 is available. 2091,000. Better understanding, I can still it is in release state. That is not a release. So COHB we find out. Else I will show you one automatic system. Okay. Then we go for COHB. So how to do? Um, Go to the CRO. Okay. Configuration setting. Reference IMG. Go to production. Offshore control. Operation. Availability. authenticating connection, enter formula. There are multiple clients. Now I check here what is the setting. So there is a setting for one is it is not during the creation it is not revealing. Setting not. You can do setting go to here of the register. Okay. What I do, it is so what is the material we need to do for releasing automatic 2091. So I go here, go to last and UNL02, enter 2091 is the material, 1000 is the plant, here is organization, go to work scheduling view, this is the production scheduling profile, setting for automatic second one, so release it. Now, what I do, go to create the production order, same applicable MD01 also. For the 2091 of material, for the 1000 plant, order type is PP01, enter, and go for 10 quantity, scheduling is current date scheduling, enter, now it is ready. So likewise, we can get automatic release of the production order. Nothing I did it was created or automatically system will go for the availability check, capacity planning, schedule, and it is released. Go and change the setting. 002 one now. Scheduling, view, I don't want this is not applicable for release. Okay. So one more option is for mask level. So there are component is available here. So releasing of the production order mask level COHV. Enter production order. You can enter the plant order also. 2091 river material plant is 1000. Check the release or not. Okay. Not release. Right. The status of order. Go to check in the display with the RTT status. Okay. 100 quantity. Go back. And that is not. I don't want echo status component except this. I need all the component available. Even I don't want release status because I'm going to release it. Wherever the release is there, I don't want to release production orders. Accept that. 2091 material, 1000 plant. So order type is required, you can enter. 01 is the order type. So 579 can check. 579, 80, 81, 82, 83. Now these are all in PRT data. So how to do? Select this, select all, go to mass processing, execute, select all. So what is the function I need? It is this order. Okay. Any log is there. So, okay. Order is released. Check. Order should be released. So these are the control orders. You can control it based on the collective order release, stop operational. So I want order release. missing part is there. It means component is not having the stock in warehouse for the storage location. Still, we having a control in the configuration. User going to do the decision, take the decision and release the production order. This is a mass level releasing of the production order to QA so start capacity, many orders are produced. So first orders released, so if you refresh in 1D04, you can get the order is in released. All are released. Operation level is the order PO02 POHD. Let me update the stock in price. But anyway, next we have to do for the goods issue order release. Now all the order is released, this is the operation level release.
Please close the mic.
Order release. My case in near to mouth only. Then select the two production orders, clicking this order release, go to automatic. Automatic also I saw in the work scheduling view, production scheduling profile need to be to the setting. During the creation only, the production order going to release. Okay. This is the setting where we can release the production order. So this is about production order release. Now tell me if you have any doubt here. Well, you understood?
Yes, yes. But
Any?
I understand
Oh,
the this one,
yeah.
mass level and this one single level. So at mass level, it will release all the orders,
All the order. If any created order is pending,
all post order also.
sorry,
Post orders.
any pending orders.
Hmm.
But based on the status, if released, it will not do that.
Yeah.
You can check in QHV also. Released also come, but it will not do as it was already released. So based on that, we do the filter and get the created production order and do release. Even I shown you the automatic one, correct?
Hmm. Yeah.
You go to do the configuration setting in indicating or in that
And
sales
the same process used for the operation level.
operation level not much using.
Mhm.
Okay, because the production order is in header level. Uh, operation level you go for the individual unit.
Individual.
Okay. Because somewhere yeah this operation is done, they need to hold it. In that case they do the operation. This is the releasing of the operation, right? There is not much
Yeah.
business not in there. Okay.
Okay.
Let us go further. There is a configuration setting for printing. What I do, I releasing or issuing one component. So once you refresh, whatever the mass is going to ahead, you will have 202. archiving is actually deleting. We have to release on order first. Go to here, already released. Have to change order. To the next operation order is printed. If you give setting, we are unable to do. There is automatic printer is not set it, right? But still at least view we can try. Go to plan. I did know Q02. No necessity. One production order, master of materials to be as well. 9,000. So order type is PP01 9,000. From the option, but this should not come. In offline, there is no setting for the task. Not processing. Yes. Let's 02. Anyway, So usually this is how the printing is there. This is the print without production order print. But due to the offline printing, right? It's real time. You can set the printing, and there is a basis requirement is there setting. But at least we can view it. But due to this automatic setting, there is a issue. But still, I will do this.
This SP02 for what
The
view
full,
there?
yeah, full request.
Old request.
Yeah, yeah. If any that printing is there, one
Last one or all one?
we try here from this function. I go for the printing. Now it will copy will be printed. Get a CONC. There is an option here. This one also print. I've already printed. Okay. I already created a printer. So here and there. Copy will be printed. 580. So next update. But due to this setting, this basic setting with the director, due to this, we are not getting. Still, SP02 should come actually. It came. 2004. The school details should come here. But before that, there is a setting we need to stop. Uh, what now? Let us go issue and try in case. I will check the settings in offline. Let us do this confirm. Create one. One and it should be released. Okay, then only try to it is released. However, the information was right. This yeah, permission start function in the function. Okay, let me check that now. Play. What is the printing issue? are the real-time settings. Okay. We don't use this settings. Okay. Right. So it show you these details. Okay. The setting is okay. So anyhow, the request should be like this. This is a print example for the production order printing. Okay. Example. Again, this is the basis and basis stream setting to be okay. Then only you can go for the printing. If it is not there, I only added the details. Okay. So now once this is done, if the production order is released, we go for the capacity. Okay. So capacity is where we are linking with work center. Okay, work center. Once you got the print and due to soft load for the production processor. Before that, this is capacity planning is system going to do the back end. Okay. So how this behavior is capacity planning for the work center. Okay. So make the setting of the work center as machine. This is where the work center is there. Okay. We are have a work center of mobile phone is our work center. And the instruction change the work
Excuse me,
center.
Mr. Shekhar. Mr. Shekhar.
Yeah.
I think that the noise, the voice is not clear, and the session. We should stop the session today for today's, and we will resume the session tomorrow. And meanwhile, you and I will check what is the sound issues with from your end.
System.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. So we just release Mr. Iqbal, and we stay. I mean, we both stay and see what the issues from
Oh,
your end,
fine, fine.
and we will
Voice
resume
is
the
not
class
clear,
tomorrow.
so no need to continue. Okay.
So just complete this one, Mr. Shiva.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you able to hear him, Mr. Iqbal? Is it
No,
audible
no.
now?
Yeah, audible, but very disturbing. Some word is not understanding. Some sentence are missing. So that's why.
Mr. Shekhar, do you have a proper internet connectivity with you?
Yeah, yeah.
Because I can hear Mr. Iqbal very properly. I can
See, you have
and
my internet.
I think that Mr. Iqbal is also hearing me properly.
Yeah, yeah.
So your voice is coming a bit low, and it can be possible because there might be some traffic issues with the
Okay.
internet connectivity also. So it
First,
happens
we
some of
need
the
to
time.
check that audio setting first. What else we can do? Okay. I have another headphone as well.
Yeah, because we means we have to push ourselves to understand to make the sense what you are speaking.
Okay.
And we can use other media like not Google Chrome and other things.
Some other
Gmeet.
media is there. Skype
Uh,
is there. It's fun. Skype.
Teams, Teams.
Teams, okay. Yeah.
Okay, why not? We can use that.
Yes. So we try now. Uh, Iqbal, what we do, we do the setting. Okay. My system, that voice setting to other media as well. Skype and
Okay.
Skype or Teams. Fine.
Okay. So let we stop today.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what
Okay.
this fun is telling.
Okay.
So is it if it's okay with Mr. Iqbal, then we can resume the session for today. Uh, if it's okay, I mean, if the voice is audible,
No,
then
because it's not properly understand. That's it. Better
yes,
we can fix the issue and then come tomorrow.
We'll
exactly.
try within half an hour. If it does work, then we'll fix the issue. We'll resume. Okay?
Okay.
Else we schedule tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Mr. Iqbal, for the time. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Shikhar, I think
You need my control or what?
no. What I think that whether it's the problem of your headset,
No,
it's not the problem of your headset.
no.
Are you sure?
Now how is the voice? Fine?
Listen, when I connect through the mobile, then I
Uh,
can able to hear you. I
okay,
mean, it's audible. It's not
okay,
very audible, but I can make the sense
okay,
out of your voice.
okay,
But through the systems, through the laptop, I cannot able to hear you properly.
okay. Can we try without removing the earphone and to system voice?
Yeah, for sure. Why not? Why not?
Okay, I'm
Let's
removing
see.
now.
Let's see.